First things first, gather all the necessary materials. An old chair, some sandpaper of varying grits, a paintbrush, your choice of paint, and a clear, protective finish. Don't forget your safety gear, gloves, goggles, and a mask. Step 1 is to prepare the chair. Remove any loose or peeling paint, and then give the chair a good sanding. Start with coarse grit sandpaper to remove the old finish and smooth out any rough spots. Then switch to a fine grit sandpaper for a final smooth down. Step 2, it's time to clean up. Wipe down the chair with a damp cloth to remove any dust or debris from the sanding. Wait for it to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Now step 3, the most transformative part, painting. Dip your brush into the paint and apply even strokes. Remember, thin coats are better than thick ones. They dry faster and give a more even finish. It might take 2 or 3 coats to achieve the desired look, so be patient. Once you're happy with the color and it's dry, it's time for the 4th step, applying the protective finish. This will seal the paint and protect your chair from wear and tear. Apply it in the same way as the paint, with long, even strokes. The final step, step 5, is to let your chair dry. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days depending on the type of paint and finish used. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to upcycling an old chair. To recap, prepare the chair by sanding and cleaning, paint it with your chosen color, apply a protective finish, and let it dry. By following these steps, you can breathe new life into any old piece of furniture. So what are you waiting for? Get creative and start transforming those hidden gems. Remember, the beauty of DIY is that you can customize to your heart's content, making something truly unique. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and finishes. After all, it's your masterpiece. That's it for today. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.